Planking is one of the simplest yet most effective exercises to build a stronger core, improve posture, and even boost your overall fitness. But here's the catch: most people are doing it wrong. And bad form doesn't just reduce the benefits, it can actually lead to pain and injuries over time. So are you making these common mistakes? Stick around as we dive into the top 5 planking errors, how to fix them, and how to level up your plank game with some pro tips. Mistake number 1, sagging hips. Picture this: you're midway through a plank, and suddenly, your lower back starts to feel the strain. Sound familiar? That's because your hips have given up and dropped towards the floor. Not only does this make the exercise less effective, but it also puts unnecessary pressure on your lumbar spine. The fix? Engage your core. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine, almost like you're zipping up a tight pair of jeans. To double-check your form, try this tip. Place a broomstick or foam roller along your back. It should touch 3 points: your head, upper back, and tailbone. If the stick isn't aligned, adjust your hips to get into a straight line. On the flip side, mistake number 2, raising your hips too high. Some people do this to make the plank feel easier, but all it does is shift the focus away from your core to your shoulders. It's like trying to work your abs while standing up. It's not effective. The solution? Visualize your body as a long, straight plank of wood. Hence the name of the exercise. Tighten your glutes and lower your hips until they're in line with your shoulders and heels. Pro tip: film yourself planking or use a mirror to check your alignment. Let's move to mistake number 3, incorrect arm positioning. Did you know that placing your arms incorrectly can strain your shoulders and wrists? Whether you're on your forearms or hands, your elbows should be directly beneath your shoulders to create a strong, stable base. And here's a bonus tip: don't clasp your hands together if you're on your forearms. While it might feel natural, it actually causes your upper body to twist and compromises your balance. Instead, keep your forearms parallel or place your palms flat on the mat. Mistake number 4 is more subtle: drooping your head. You've probably seen this. Someone's chin practically touches their chest. This not only puts strain on your neck but also breaks the straight line alignment that makes planking so effective. To fix this, think about holding an invisible apple between your chin and chest. Keep your eyes focused slightly ahead of your hands, not directly beneath you. Maintaining a neutral neck is key to avoiding tension headaches and improving posture. And finally, mistake number 5, holding your plank for too long. Sure, it might sound impressive to say you can plank for 5 minutes, but is your form actually holding up? A shaky plank with quivering arms and a drooping core does more harm than good. Instead, aim for shorter, high-quality holds of 20 to 60 seconds. As you build strength, you can increase your time or add dynamic movements like plank taps or knee drives to keep challenging your muscles without sacrificing form. Now, if you've nailed the basics, why stop there? Add variety to your routine with advanced planks. The side plank is fantastic for targeting your obliques, while plank jacks give you a cardio boost. For an extra challenge, try the forearm to hand plank transition. It's a core and arm workout rolled into one. Remember, the key to improving is consistency. Even just 5 minutes of planking a day can bring noticeable results over time. And don't forget to stretch. Your muscles will thank you. Now it's your turn. What's your plank form like? Have you caught yourself making any of these mistakes? Or do you have a favorite plank variation that you swear by? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your workout buddies, and hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.